figure out what. It's like the lines don't connect to the dots. It's like the hare's playing games with the fox. See, I'm not lost, not as such, but as much as I must focus on feelings mustered in my own conscience and my own compass, it seems there's a magnet lost, and it's been purposely dropped. The culprit is laughing and nervously confident, hot because I'm trapped. But as I gallop, I can feel it, and so can he, that it's not for long, because I'm shaking it off. As I disconnect from one thing, I'm connected with the next, the best year. I've been told to best, but just a testament to battle hard and progress. And now we are strapped to the deep, and we are staunch enough to believe the way it is not me. Only way it has to be.
I could see myself reflected in the eyes of another, and as the wind blew through the trees, I could hear my own song on the breezes that made them shudder. I could feel my own heartbeat in the flashes of lightning and the rumbles of thunder, and I could taste my own tears as they fell from the eyes of another, as they cried for one who has returned to the eternal slumber. I could feel my own blood rushing through my veins, because as the river returned to the ocean, it all became clear in the crashing of waves. I could witness my own life on the leaves and the trees, and how easy they fell away with the slightest of breeze. And I could taste eternity when I kissed her lips, and understood that we were never not here, so there is nothing to miss. I feel the warmth in my chest because I believe that I am blessed. I believe that I am blessed when I see the rest of us. I believe that I have yet to see the best of us. So let us burn bright, let us set the skies alight, third eyes ablaze in the light of the new dawn. Let us not fear the darkness, because the soul resides where the heart is. Stand strong, because soon it will be the morn.
You can see it's all the thoughts for the day. Everywhere's color green, smiling face, and they're making all kinds of crazy shapes. Oh, what a beautiful picture they paint. See, we are the colors of sound. See, we are the colors of sound.
Fear twists my insides at the thought of having no reason for being. I mean, there must be a purpose, there's got to be a meaning. Because I refuse to believe that we were exiled from Eden for the reason that the search for knowledge is the greatest treason. But I've started believing that weakness is a disease, and that I found the cure. Kick down the doors of perception and you'll be greeted with the greatest reception you've ever seen. Be the best human being that you could possibly be, and then understand that there can be no more me, only we. And then we must understand that we have never truly been free. Slavery of the mind. And don't be scared to dig deep. Plant your feet and stare at the moon, and soon you'll be washed over by a great calm. But that storm inside of you rages on, because wrong were they to hold us down, because every day the sun burns through the clouds. Scream out loud, because you are an animal. You are made of this earth. You are not mechanical. Atoms and stars, you are incredible. Wounds and scars, together we will heal them all.
You can see us all on the dance floor today. Everywhere's gonna be a smiling face, and they're making all kinds of crazy shapes. Oh, what a beautiful picture they paint. See, we are the colors of sound. See, we are the colors of sound. Make the next like this up.
Refuse to be disconnected. Refuse the mundane. Refuse anything but beauty. And then look again. because you are the infinite universe. And if you choose to accept it, then there is your purpose, then there is your worth. And your voice is the revolution, become part of the evolution of mankind. Become the solution before the pollution clouds up our minds. Because you are the human masterpiece. And now is the time to release yourself. Now is the time to increase yourself. Now is the time to unleash yourself.
Release yourself. Increase yourself. Now is the time to
Unleash.
Everybody's calling with a smiling face, and they making all kinds of crazy things. One more time, you get the picture and play. We are the colors of sound. We are the colors of sound. We are the colors of sound.
Return to source consciousness. Let go of selfishness. Goodbye to helplessness. Climb out of this abyss. Then we will know pure bliss. Thank you.